What's up, guys? It's Will from TekBeatTV, bringing to you a follow-up and a review and impressions of the BodyGuardz by NLU Products. So I put on the BodyGuardz on my phone, and it's been about 48 hours now, and as you can see, let's see if it focuses in properly. There we go. There is still a little bit of haze, but I was told, according to the directions, that should clear up very soon. But there were a fair amount of bubbles in the beginning, and most of them have gone away. I'm liking the product so far. I've tried to scratch it a few times, with my finger and some keys, and nothing's happened, and it's worked pretty well. The only thing is, if you plan on using this with the bumper, it will work. But some cases, even that just additional thickness will cause it to not be able to fit in a case properly. So if you plan on using a case with this, depends on the case, test it out before anything, and just be really careful because it might lift some of the film from your case. So there you have it, guys. That's my review of the BodyGuardz by NLU Products for the iPhone. If you're looking for a naked way of protecting your phone, probably the best way, but if you plan on using a case, probably looking for a screen shield or something a little bit thinner. There you have it, guys. I'll catch you real soon, and peace.